Now, 7 weather with meteorologist Julie Durda.
On this Friday morning, we are waking up to mostly clear skies out there. It looks gorgeous, but boy, as soon as you open that front door, you're going to be greeted with heat and humidity. As you can see, calm conditions over Biscayne Bay. We are expecting to see the breeze pick up later on today, but there are no advisories if you'd like to do some boating, so enjoy. Otherwise, if you head to the beach, there is a slight risk of rip current, so just be careful. Make sure you're swimming by a lifeguard. We're dry from Lake Okeechobee all the way down to Key West this morning. This picture will stay this way until the late afternoon. Then we are expecting the development of the sea breeze to occur, and once that happens, could see the possibility of some inland isolated thunderstorms. Today, all that activity, though, will push away from the metro and coastal areas and towards the west coast. So you know what that means. In return, we're expecting to see lots of sunshine, and it's going to be hot. Temperature right now is 79 degrees in Deerfield Beach, 77 in Pompano Beach. You're waking up to 78 in Fort Lauderdale, 79 in Pembroke Pines. Good morning to you in Hialeah with 78 degrees, 79 in Miami with a relative humidity of 85%. 75 in Kendall and Homestead. Down by the Keys, temperatures right now, you're waking up to 83 in Marathon, and for you in Key West, 82 degrees. So we have this broad area of high pressure in place over the western Atlantic and stretching all the way into the Gulf of Mexico. You can see very quiet conditions on the color satellite. To the south of us, though, in the Caribbean, there is some tropical moisture we're keeping our eyes on because some forecast models are still hinting that that moisture will move into South Florida sometime Saturday and into Sunday and increase our rain chances. So for today, the wind flow moving in off the ocean will bring that southeast wind. It'll be hot, it will be humid, and we'll see that chance of some inland storms starting later on today, and that moisture will push away in towards the western portions of Florida. So basically expect a very hot and humid day. Highs will be in the 90s, but we will not be flirting with records. And by the way, yesterday we actually tied a record high in Miami with an official high of 94 degrees. Moving to the tropics, the complete check. Things are quiet in the Gulf of Mexico, watching some tropical moisture in the Caribbean, and in the Atlantic, all is quiet. And we love to hear that, especially on your Friday forecast. Moving to the marine forecast, that threat of rip currents at the beaches. If you're headed out to do any boating, the bay will be to moderate chop. For you in the lower keys, no advisories. Inside the reef, 1 foot. Beyond the reef, 2 to 3 feet. Near shore waters at a light chop. Highs today, 93 at the coast and 96 inland. It'll be hot and hazy. We'll see those clouds build inland, and that's where we'll see those isolated showers. Lows will be in the mid to upper 70s. Take a look at your Father's Day. I broke it down for you. In the morning, it'll be muggy with temperatures in the lower 80s. We're forecasting a high of 91 Sunday with that chance of showers and storms, and lows will be in the upper 70s that evening. For the rest of the 7-on-7 forecast, we'll keep that chance of showers as we go into early next week with highs in the lower 90s. Have a great weekend.